In ET Now news break last week, ET Now told you that the demerger of ITC's hotel business is on the cards, and today the conglomerate's board has given its in-principle approval for the demerger. The new entity will be called ITCS Hotels, and now that we've learned from our sources that the company is looking for more investors, my colleague Vinnii is here with all the details related to that demerger.
So absolutely, what has come in terms of announcement, and we were the first to tell you all on 20th of July, and it was exclusive details, and the news break has confirmed that ITC is going to be demerging its hotel business. That announcement has come in, and obviously now the board has given an in-principle approval for the demerger of hotel business. That's going to be an incorporation of wholly owned unit for ITC that is going to be there for the hotel business, and ITC will hold 40% in this demerged entity, and 60% will be held by the ITC shareholders. They've evaluated various alternative structures as well. They're going to be meeting on 14th of August to decide more in terms of the ratios, the details coming in over there in terms of the next board meeting. That is what they'll be watching out for, and obviously what they're proposing is to subscribe to shares of ITC Hotels for an amount up to 100 crores in a total of aggregate. Now let's not forget, ITC currently accounts, the hotel business accounts only 5% of ITC's revenue over the last decade, and EBIT over the last decade was just 5%. SOTP valuation also is at around 4 to 5% as well when you look at it according to analysts and brokerages, what they have highlighted, and ITC Hotel stands second after IHCL in terms of the hotel business as well. So when you look at it in terms of SOTP valuation 4 to 5%, according to analysts, the value comes in at rupees 20 to 25, approximately 25 to 30 in terms of the pricing for the share price that it would be for the ITC hotel business. But now we have more exclusive details that have come in for you all, is that, you know, obviously that 40% up, what I'm talking about is that ITC will only hold 40% in this new entity. So obviously, why is that so? Because in the later time, ITC wants hotel business to be an independent entity, and ITC maybe could be scouting for strategic investors going forward, and they want hotel business to be something separately where it's like an investment they've made, and maybe they will look for a strategic investor at the right time, at the right price is when they will be looking at it. And that is more of the details, that exclusive details that we have for you all, and that we have picked up from sources, that obviously that what will be, that they'll be scouting for strategic investors at some point of time when they find the pricing right is what they'll be looking at, and ITC Hotel would be a separate entity. So those are more details that we have for you all in terms of the ITC Hotel demerger. And yes, the board will be meeting on August 14th, and we will be seeing some more announcements in terms of ratios coming in that time as well.